Hey guys, so this is my iPhone 11 Pro. As you can see, it's got my picture on it because it's not my iPhone 11 Pro, it's my wife's. She's a female. So I have right here, this is a Miracase, a case for people who like the color pink. And look at it right there. Premium quality Miracase. Amazingness over here. You get the foam to protect the shape. Now, what do you guys prefer? A transparent case or a pink case? I say pink is probably the best. Now how the hell do I get this off? There you go. Let's take this guy off and let's put the pink case on. Goes with the gold. Very easy to fit in, and it does feel a lot more protective than my previous case. Seems to drop the phone pretty well. That's all the kind of dropping I'm going to do. This is mainly a fashion case. What's it look like? How does it make you feel holding that beautiful pink, gigantic iPhone 11? It feels like it's going to be great for female hands, but there's only one way to test it out, and that is to become a female.
That is right, I am officially a female. Oh my god, it's pink and it matches my nails. I love this color. Ooh, it feels so soft as well. Oh my gosh, it actually feels super soft. It's like, it almost feels like suede, although it's not like suede. I love this.
How does it compare to this?
Ew, this feels more, okay, texture-wise, this one's a lot softer. This one's a lot softer. This one feels like plasticky, whereas this one feels a lot softer. Now, I don't know if this is going to last forever or whether it's going to end up like this shiny thing, but I have to say comfort-wise, I really like it and I adore this color.
That's one of the things with these guys is that it does turn yellow over time. Do you reckon these ones will also fade out?
What color do you think it's going to go?
No.
I do like it though. It's really cute. It's such a cute girly color. I love pink.
Hey, it's not just for girls anymore. It's for real men. Real men wear pink. All right, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this amazing case review. What color are you going to be getting?
Oh, my phone!
All right, one thing I want to add is I actually, well, my wife did. Let me just show you. She actually damaged her iPhone 11 Pro. Let's just see if I can show it. You probably can't see it, but there's a light mark over here. See? There's a light mark right there. And that happened because she dropped the phone, and this case, I'll show you. It doesn't give you that much distance between the screen and the side of the case. So I guess it got that little chip because it fell at an awkward angle, a stone hit it, and it got easily damaged. Whereas with this case, I don't know, obviously, it's your luck, your mileage may vary, but just looking at it and giving it a thorough inspection right now, I can see that there's more clearance between the display and the side, as you can see right there. So I'm hoping that if it does drop, it gives it more of a buffer to protect your phone. So yeah, some tips for you and this beautiful pink case.